The mole, a fascinating creature, has a history that dates back millions of years. Originating from ancient mammals, these burrowing wonders evolved to thrive underground. Their unique adaptations, like powerful forelimbs and sensitive whiskers, make them expert diggers. Did you know that moles can tunnel up to 18 feet in a single hour? That's like digging a tunnel the length of a school bus in just minutes. Their diet mainly consists of earthworms and insects, and they can consume up to their body weight in food daily. Interestingly, moles have a special enzyme that allows them to eat toxic prey without harm. Plus, their velvety fur is not just for looks, it helps them move effortlessly through the soil. So, next time you see a molehill, remember, it's not just a pile of dirt, it's a sign of a remarkable underground world. Mole originates from Mexico, specifically from the states of Oaxaca and Puebla, where it has been a staple sauce in Mexican cuisine for centuries. The sauce is made from a complex combination of ingredients, including chilies, spices, nuts, seeds, chocolate, and herbs, which are roasted, ground, and blended together to create a rich, thick, and nuanced sauce. Mole is a fundamental component of Mexican cuisine, particularly in traditional dishes like enchiladas, chicken, and pork, where it's used to add depth, complexity, and flavor. The word mole comes from the Nahuatl language, meaning mix or blend.